Let me save you some time. 90% of the passive income videos you see are selling you a lie. Dropshipping cheap plastic in 2026 is dead, and filling out online surveys for pennies is a waste of your life. Sustainable wealth relies on building a system that functions without your constant presence. We are going to build that system together today. Open up your freelance dashboard, your newsletter platform, and your fintech app so you can build along in real time. Executing this specific three-part architecture assembles the components of a self-sustaining financial structure. Let's start with stream number 1. We have to start with active income to generate your seed capital. I call this first phase AI skill arbitrage. Look at this split screen setup. On the left, you create a high-demand freelance service listing, like SEO article writing, on global platforms like Upwork. On the right, you set up a complex AI manager prompt to handle the actual production. The arbitrage mechanic here is simple. You charge your clients for human-level expertise, but you use advanced AI to execute 80% of the required labor in a fraction of the time. When an order comes in, you simply copy the client's requirements, paste them into your saved AI manager prompt, and let the software produce an instant deliverable. But pay attention here. A common failure point is getting bogged down in manually running these prompts yourself every day. That is just another job. Once you have a steady client base, you step back. You hire a virtual assistant to exclusively manage those prompt executions and deliver the final product. Mastering this arbitrage workflow automates the production side of your service, freeing your time while generating the seed capital needed for the next phase. Now that you have cash flowing in from your agency, you need to convert it into an owned asset. We call this fractional digital real estate. Step 1 is selecting a hyper-niche curation topic. For our example, we are going to build a newsletter around AI tools for architects. In an internet landscape flooded by infinite average AI generation, human curation commands high value. Professionals want an expert to filter out the noise for them. This diagram shows the exact required format of your asset. You start with an email draft, drop in your header, curate exactly 3 external links paired with brief human-written insights, and leave a designated space for a sponsor logo at the very bottom. As you capture a highly specific audience with this weekly newsletter, advertisers will pay you directly to place their brand in that sponsor slot. Do not make the mistake of attempting to author long-form original essays. That kills your leverage. Stick strictly to curating existing high-value links. Owning a hyper-niche email list template like this operates identically to owning prime commercial real estate. It consistently generates yield for you every time you hit send. Now we shift focus to the final, most critical phase, protecting and aggressively compounding the capital you just generated. If you let your side hustle profits sit stagnant in a traditional bank account, they lose their purchasing power every single day due to inflation. To solve this, you need to link your side hustle checking account directly to a modern fintech automation ecosystem. In your chosen fintech app, navigate right now to the Automation Rules menu. On this screen, set your temporal trigger specifically to every Friday, aligning with standard weekly payouts. Next, configure the action to automatically sweep exactly 50% of those profits. Then route those funds directly into fractional dividend ETFs. As an alternative destination for your sweep, you can also select tokenized real estate funds to diversify your yield. Finally, verify your setup by confirming the automation status is active. Here is the absolute psychological rule to make this work. You never look at or manually touch these specific invested funds. As those swept funds purchase assets, those assets pay you dividends. Those dividends then automatically reinvest to buy even more of the assets. This self-feeding loop drives the compounding process by ensuring your profits buy more assets every single week. As you can see in this flowchart, you have now successfully architected a complete, end-to-end modern wealth system. The people who stay broke in 2026 are the ones waiting around for a lottery ticket. The people who get wealthy are the proactive ones designing and building systems exactly like this one. Pick one of these 3 streams today and commit to running this exact architecture for 6 consecutive months. If you got value out of this blueprint, smash the like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments, which specific stream did you initiate today? Keep compounding, and I'll see you in the next one.